Hello everyone, I'm Julia Morisova, the creator of online training courses on the intersection of climate, sustainability and technology. GenAI is already transforming the way we access and use technology by making advanced tools available to everyone. This democratization of technology has become possible for two main reasons. First of all, thanks to the ease of use and conversational interfaces of GenAI tools that use natural language processing or NLP to enable machines to understand and respond to human language in a natural way. And second, these platforms are available in the cloud, they are free or low cost and require no installation. And therefore anyone with a smartphone or internet connection can use GenAI tools. Just like me, you're probably already among millions of people who use generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude or DeepSeek for everyday tasks, writing emails or documents, summarizing articles, answering quick questions or generating pictures of toy figures of themselves, writing a song in Sooner.
Green taxonomy, a guide for every sector. Sustainable future is what we aim for.
Or even creating a digital avatar of themselves.
Hi, I am Julia's digital avatar, created by HeyGen in only 5 minutes and absolutely for free.
As you can see, I have certainly played with some of that. However, beyond these simple queries lies a much broader opportunity. In corporate and business environments, generative AI is being leveraged for various tasks, including automating workflows, generating business insights, enriching and validating data, enhancing customer service, managing risks, and accelerating innovation. This course will explore how professionals can tap into these advanced capabilities and why generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI are such buzzwords.
Fundamental advance in artificial intelligence. We call it agentic AI.
We're 6 months away of agentic AI.
We people have to learn how we can survive in the artificial intelligence period.
Generative AI, or GenAI, refers to a subset of artificial intelligence that creates new content, such as text, images, audio, video or code, based on patterns learned from large datasets. If you are completely new to artificial intelligence, I recommend you to take my other best-selling course, Introduction to Big Data, Data Science, Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence, which covers in more details the traditional AI and machine learning techniques and applications across a number of industries. While traditional AI focuses on analyzing existing data to, for example, make predictions or automate decisions within set parameters, generative AI, by contrast, goes further by creating entirely new data that mirrors the characteristics of its training data. For example, traditional AI might detect anomalies in energy usage, while generative AI could simulate future energy consumption scenarios or help design new, more efficient systems. This is just one example of how GenAI can be used in sustainability space. And in this course, we will cover lots of other examples. Both generative AI and traditional AI have significant roles to play in shaping our future, each unlocking unique possibilities. This course has been designed specifically for professionals and business leaders who don't have any technology background or coding experience, but nevertheless are keen to expand their knowledge on emerging technologies. Although we will have a lot of examples related to climate and sustainability, this course is applicable to any people who want to use GenAI tools for work, whether they are working in a corporation, a small startup, or even if you are a solopreneur. In addition, since we're giving some business examples, the course might be useful for tech entrepreneurs who are creating apps for business users. Disregarding your background or age, embracing this technology will be key for businesses and individuals who want to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. In this course, we will teach you the basic concepts and definitions related to generative AI. We will give you an overview of GenAI tools and explain how they are used not only for fun, but professionally to improve your productivity automate things, and enhance the quality of your work. All guest speakers and I will share our favorite GenAI tools that we use for work. I personally researched and tried tens of various GenAI applications, and I will show you how to use them and what results you can get. Then we will talk about AI agents and agentic AI, and we will talk about how to build them as an enterprise solutions. This will cover the data security issues and also how to train your tools with your proprietary data. After that, we will briefly talk about examples of climate and sustainability data which you could use in your models. And more importantly, we have put together a wide range of case studies of GenAI applications in climate and sustainability across various industries. And we will finish the course discussing environmental and ethical considerations of using GenAI. We will talk about future trends and why GenAI is becoming one of the most demanded skills for employment, and how you can get started with GenAI.
Don't believe that technology is going to take away human beings' jobs.
A lot of the code in our apps and including the AI that we generate is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people engineers.
If you're not engaging AI actively and aggressively, you're doing it wrong. You're not going to lose your job to AI. You're going to lose your job to somebody who uses AI. Your company is not going to go out of business because of AI. Your company is going to go out of business because another company used AI.
For this course, I have invited for you a number of fantastic guest speakers. First of all, Ilya Kabanov, a science writer focusing on sustainability and artificial intelligence. Ilya is brilliant in explaining complex technical subjects in simple terms and has a strong interest both in sustainability and AI. Ilya has helped me to design this course, and he will be co-hosting this course with me.
Hi, my name is Ilya Kabanov. I'm a science writer focusing on AI and sustainability. For 2 decades, I've covered major problems facing the modern world and fascinating innovations that could help us solve the most pressing issues. In this course, I will combine my 2 passions, generative AI and sustainability, and I will share ideas, tools, and best practices you can use in your work. See you there.
From the practical GenAI application perspective, he is particularly keen on the role of visual content in climate and sustainability, and has recently won a prize, Information is Beautiful, for his article about importance of shade in the cities. Then we will have Alex Vahitov, an AI and software architect with extensive experience as the Chief Technology Officer, who specializes in the digital transformation of the energy sector. He will certainly bring the technology perspective to our course and will talk about his experience of using GenAI in his work.
Hi, I'm Alex Vahitov. Last 10 years, I'm running the products in UK energy and utilities industry. I started the company which was did quite a lot for net zero and sustainability. We helped in UK rollout of smart meters, and that's optimizing engineers' workflow.
Finally, we will have Olga Isakova, the product manager responsible for Clarinet's Microsoft Copilot services, which is a great example of GenAI tools which you are likely to have as part of your Office suite, but might be underutilizing. Olga will show us how to use Copilot to boost productivity, automate processes, secure and analyze data. Given that many companies use Microsoft products, this is an essential tool for all professionals.
Hello and welcome. My name is Olga Isakova. I help organizations to unlock the full value of artificial intelligence to work smarter, innovate faster, and drive meaningful change for your employees and customers.
This course is packed with information, and we're really hoping that you will find it useful. I promise that by the end of this course, you will not be intimidated by generative AI, and you will be confident in applying it in your work.